Guys, today I'm going to be doing a YouTube video, and
that's just my sister in the background.
yeah, and my sister is in the background because she's making a YouTube video as well.
Hey guys!
On Hide and Seek Stream. I will leave the name of her channel in the description.
What she said? Yay, I'm on.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay. So, I am going to be trying to save up for the... I'm going to be trying to save up for...
Face reveal, I will do a face
reveal. I'm trying to save up for this quest. Oh my god. This quest because I'll get a diamond egg from it. And you're probably all wondering why I'm randomly just doing a bee swarm video. Well, I've been working on bee swarm really hard since the new update came out. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do little little videos of me playing on bee swarm.
You're a weirdo.
What are you talking about?
That person's just standing on top of me. He's gonna fall and he's taking it for a second.
My sister's just playing hide and seek extreme, obviously.
I'm making a YouTube video. What's up?
Yeah, I already told them that.
Yeah, I know.
So we just need I don't know, a bit more. 100,000 and something.
Oh my god! I just walked into him and he's not dying yet.
Seriously?
Oh no, never mind. He's dead.
Okay. Oh my god, it's really laggy. So that keeps. Yeah. Okay, it's okay now, I guess.
Why did my tablet?
If it goes all blurry, I'm sorry, but that's just the way my tablet is. So, I'm just gonna do this.
Sorry guys if I'm being a little bit quiet, but my sister's being a bit loud.
I'm sorry if I'm being a bit quiet because I'm just harvesting honey.
Oh my god, I'm losing that person who I was just about to chase.
Tell me in the comments if I should save up for the Mondo belt bag. It's, wait, let me get it. 12,400,000. Or should I save up for that? I think you're mostly gonna say this one, the Mondo belt bag, because it is like I already have 9 million already, so I kind of do want to do that. So I'm going to save up for that, but tell me if I should save up for the... Oh my god, what am I doing?
She's just getting distracted by my one.
No, because the charge thing came off because my charger went out with the tablet. Yeah, so... yeah, so we're just going to... By we're, I mean me and my bees. We're just gonna do this, and then when I'm done this video, I'll do a different video as well because I'm gonna be going on hide and seek extreme with my sister.
I think Aaron's playing this game with me. My brother.
Yeah. Well, our brother.
Well, yeah.
Basically.
That person just ran away from me.
Okay.
Well,
that's what everybody's supposed to do.
Okay, guys. So comment at 100 likes. I will do a face reveal on my YouTube.
What if they don't let you? Okay, I am going. Oh, and guys, we're gonna be doing a squishy giveaway.
Woo!
When we
at 50 subscribers.
Subs, yeah, basically. I already have I'm already building my way up to that because I have 7 subs already. So
including me.
Oh yeah, she subscribed to me.
Sisters,
I haven't even subscribed to you. Okay, I'm going to do that.
Yeah, you should. Here, after this one, I'm going.
Mia is playing an intense game of hide and seek extreme.
Yeah, sure, I'm on. After this, I'm going to get my YouTube plan and I'm going to be reading out what we're going to be doing.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. Don't worry. It's going to be so boring.
No, well, it's from my channel. Like.
Okay. I thought we were going to play hide and seek extreme together.
Yeah, well, I'm going to be like going to get the piece of paper and reading it out.
Oh, cool. Okay, so...
Bitches.
And...
I just cursed.
Yeah, seriously? Seriously?
Oh my god, just let me catch you.
Okay, so...
But I barely said the bad word, like it was really quiet.
Can you just stop saying it now? Okay.
Okay, so only 5 people survived.
Okay, so...
Okay, so I'm going to be
wait.
leaving this and I'm going to be going
Oh
to
my
my
God.
house, or my sitting room to get the
Piece of paper.
piece of paper.
Your plan.
I will
Okay.
talk to you, well, it'll be like in like 30 seconds for me, but like 2
Then just
seconds
pause
for
the
you.
video.
I know. Yeah,
Okay.
paused.
Well, she's going to... Oh, finally, guys. Look at...
I just walked my head off the ceiling.
Oh my god, what the heck. Okay, so we're going to claim our diamond egg now. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Even though I already have
Oh, I almost fell off
loads
the
of
ladder.
diamond eggs. I'm soon gonna say she's just, oh my god, she's just doing loads of things. Okay, talk to Black Bear. I knew you had it in you from the start. Just look at you now. Your bees are, wait, your bees now a real sight to behold. Okay, wait, what the heck? You probably know more about honey than I do at this point. I can't think of anyone better to have this, my diamond egg. It always hatches into a legendary bee. This is where my lesson ends for now. I may have more for you in the future. Until then, I hope you keep making honey. 1 million. Oh yeah, 10 million honey. Boom, 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 yeah. Okay. So just blue now. What are you doing? Oh my god! What? No! Oh my god! I can't make 1 million blue honey. It's okay. Oh my god, that's nearly impossible. Okay, it probably
Okay,
isn't.
so the
okay.
sibling fam,
Wow, she just got really
listen
loud.
to
didn't
this
she?
as well. Okay, Jess, can you like just...
I got a music bee!
Okay,
Yay.
so I didn't even know that.
Oh my god, I got a high song. An extra high song. Okay.
Okay, so the plan is, so YouTube channel plan.
Here.
My name is
going
my YouTube name is Miza Fam.
Yeah.
Basically.
And
Jess's one is the sibling.
wait,
fam,
I need to tell
or the siblings.
I changed my name to the siblings because, like, I used to just have my name to Jessica MacD, and I did not like that name, so I changed mine to the siblings. So now I'm just, yeah, that's good. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna go. Bye. Okay, bees, say bye. Okay, they said bye as well.
Okay, so
Okay, bye,
Jess
guys.
already said